Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how you can watch the ESPN Plus on your Apple TV. So first thing you need to do is if you're inside the US, all you need to do is head over to the App Store on your Apple TV. You need to search for ESPN Plus and then just download the app and there you go, you'll get it. But if you're outside like the US, then you need to find a VPN that works best for you. And I would like you to suggest either Pure VPN, which is just starts at $1, which is very much cheap. And other multiple alternatives would be either to get Sling TV or Fubo or like Hulu Plus Live TV, Direct TV Stream, VidGo, YouTube TV, or ESPN Plus directly. I suggest getting YouTube TV if this is one of the most simpler way, but you can go ahead and see which option works the best for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.